Maya's London adventure. Follow Maya as she embarks on an exciting adventure through the bustling streets of London, experiencing its famous landmarks, vibrant gardens, and delicious cuisine. Once upon a time, in a bustling city far from her home, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya had always dreamed of visiting London, with its towering buildings, bustling streets, and rich history. And one sunny morning, her dream finally came true. With a backpack filled with snacks, a map of the city, and her trusty camera in hand, Maya set off on her adventure. As she wandered through the colorful streets of London, she marveled at the iconic sights, the majestic Big Ben standing tall against the sky, the Grand Tower Bridge stretching over the River Thames, and the vibrant markets where vendors sold everything from fresh fruits to handmade crafts. But Maya's favorite part of London was the parks, lush green oases nestled amidst the urban landscape. In Hyde Park, she watched as swans glided gracefully across the serene Serpentine Lake, and in Regent's Park, she picnicked beneath the shade of towering trees, surrounded by blooming flowers and chirping birds. As Maya explored the city, she practiced her English with friendly locals, learning new words and phrases with each conversation. She sampled traditional British foods like fish and chips, sipped tea in cozy cafes, and even tried her hand at punting along the peaceful canals of Little Venice. But amidst the excitement of exploring a new city, Maya also faced challenges: a wrong turn down a narrow alleyway, a sudden rain shower catching her without an umbrella, and the occasional confusion of navigating the bustling streets of a foreign city. Yet with each challenge Maya persevered, guided by her sense of adventure and the kindness of strangers she met along the way. As the sun began to set on her last day in London, Maya found herself standing on the banks of the River Thames, watching as the city lights twinkled like stars against the evening sky. Reflecting on her journey, she realized that London wasn't just a place on a map. It was a city filled with memories, lessons, and the warmth of new friendships. And as Maya boarded the train that would take her back home, she knew that no matter where life took her, London would always hold a special place in her heart, a city of dreams, discovery, and endless possibilities. With a smile on her face and a suitcase full of memories, Maya waved goodbye to London, eager to carry its spirit of adventure with her wherever she went next.